What? You want a quarter? Kiss my ass. Find me in New York for this fucking quarter. Okay. I just here's the quarter. I'm sorry. Who knew there was a phone Gestapo? I mean.
Get my umbrella while you're at it there.
These guys are serious.
Hey, my umbrella!
Shit!
Hey, stop! Call the police!
You can't miss me. I'm a little black woman in a big silver box. Over the top of it says phone.
Tell me your thoughts about this movie in the comments.